Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions and maybe even make you laugh a little. Today, we're diving deep into the world of robot vacuums. On the left, we have the eufy X8 Pro, the Rolls-Royce of robot vacuums. And on the right, we have the Lefant M210 Pro, the little engine that could. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. The eufy X8 Pro will set you back a cool $649. That's right, folks. You could either buy this vacuum or a round-trip ticket to Hawaii. Your choice. On the other hand, the Lefant M210 Pro comes in at a budget-friendly $209. That's less than a month's worth of avocado toast. If you're ballin' on a budget, Lefant already has a leg up. Now, let's talk suction. The eufy X8 Pro boasts a twin turbine system with a whopping 2 times 4,000 Pascal suction power. This thing could probably suck the wrinkles out of your face. The Lefant M210 Pro, while not as powerful, still packs a punch with its unique suction mouth and powerful suction. It's like comparing a Dyson to a dustbuster, but hey, it gets the job done, especially if you have pets. No more fur tumbleweeds rolling across your living room. Reviewers love the eufy X8 Pro for its strong suction and thorough cleaning performance, while the Lefant M210 Pro is praised for its effectiveness in picking up pet hair. Eufy X8 Pro keeps it smart with AI Map 2.0 and customizable no-go zones. It's like having a tiny, obedient butler who knows exactly where to clean and where to stay away from. Fancy, right? Lefant M210 Pro offers 4 different cleaning modes: automatic, planning, fixed point, and edge. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for your floor. Versatility, thy name is Lefant. Reviewers appreciate the eufy X8 Pro's advanced mapping and navigation, while Lefant M210 Pro users love its user-friendly app and multiple cleaning modes. Eufy X8 Pro uses iPath laser navigation to create precise maps of your home. It's like having a tiny, laser-guided ninja cleaning your floors. Lefant M210 Pro, with its FreeMove 3.0 technology and 6D built-in anti-collision infrared sensors, might as well be the Terminator of robot vacuums. It detects obstacles and avoids them like a pro. Hasta la vista, baby! According to reviewers, the eufy X8 Pro is reliable and efficient in navigation, while the Lefant M210 Pro is praised for its obstacle detection and ability to clean under furniture. Eufy X8 Pro goes the extra mile with a 45-day, hands-free cleaning feature. That's right, folks, you only have to empty the dustbin every 45 days. It's like having a self-cleaning litter box, but for your whole house. Lefant M210 Pro, on the other hand, requires a bit more hands-on attention. But hey, it's still less work than vacuuming yourself, and it's perfect for those who love a little more involvement in their cleaning process. Consider it your new cleaning buddy. Reviewers find the eufy X8 Pro convenient for its low maintenance, while the Lefant M210 Pro is appreciated for being a great value despite needing more frequent emptying. Overall, reviewers are impressed with the eufy X8 Pro for its strong suction, advanced navigation, and low maintenance, though some mention potential battery issues after several months. The Lefant M210 Pro is praised for its affordability, effectiveness in pet hair removal, and ease of use, though it may require more frequent maintenance and has some limitations in mapping technology. So there you have it, folks. If you want a high-tech, powerful, and low-maintenance robot vacuum and don't mind splurging, the eufy X8 Pro is your go-to. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly, versatile, and efficient cleaner, the Lefant M210 Pro has got your back. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember, no matter which one you choose, you're buying smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean, folks.